The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Hope everyone had a great Easter weekend. Ready for a great and exciting chaotic week with CPI and PPI later this week. Morning, Leonardo, Mr. G, Kevin and Matt. Good to see y'all. Hope you had a great weekend. Market's been dropping here. Unfortunately, I missed the drop. Market's pretty much been dropping all night except for this little pullback and then down. ES high day was its first candle at 41.43. It's down. It just reached a low of 41.21. Not that big of a range. 41.43. It's about 21 points. I don't know. G, I've seen our headlines for a couple. And Q. 13,203 was its high. Low, 13,092. About, what, 110 points of range. Copper, copper, copper just made a new high over the last couple minutes. New low apparently too. Wow. So copper just exploded there for some reason. Still only about 80 ticks of range. Gold. Gold had an interesting gap down at the start, came back up, fell all the way back, now trying to get back up. I've fallen and I can't get up. 17 tick, points of range. Ultra bond. About 3/4 of a point of range. Crude oil. About 80 ticks of range, and last but not least, with natural gas, it's only about 55 ticks. Range, Bitcoin sitting at 28.3. Russell falling hard as well there, so we're ready to rock and rumble. Getting a big short there on the NQ on the 5-minute. Thank you for that, G. I actually didn't know that. Originally, I wondered whether or not the CME might have reduced hours today, but I guess they just do everything on Friday and that's it. So you see over here I have the 5-minute chart. I appreciate that, G. Thank you for having my 6. Yeah, didn't even realize Dell was still around. So you see a 5-minute chart making a prominent thing over here. I did extensive back testing this weekend on the 5-minute chart, and it's very intriguing. I need to write down some rules for myself to follow based on it, but it came out some very, very good numbers, although some trades would have a very high risk. Yeah. Yeah, I figured, well, and my bank account needed a little infusion anyway, so I figured it was time to get out. So I need to turn on my script here. There we go. My entry bot would have taken this as I was talking. Also would have taken this though, and that obviously would not have worked. So yeah, right now I hold no crypto anymore as I sold off all my Doge and my Bitcoin as well. It was only about $200. Anyway, I'm gonna have the 5-minute chart up with some ideas. Oops, whoa, that was loud. And I'm gonna connect the paper trading account. You might see me take some trades on the 5, but I was afraid it would have worked. You might see me take some trades on the 5-minute chart just in paper trading, along with the actual trading on the NinjaTrader. Hey, JC, how was your weekend? I take it Vodafone is the big phone company in the UK? Or broadband company or whatever? Means we might not see Nick today, depending on who his company is. As NQ continues to fall. Mine was pretty good, thank you. Get my binaural beats ready. There we go. Get those going. Morning, Robin. So new low day on NQ. 13083 ES. 4119 quarter. ES just broke its 100 EMA on the hourly chart as well. So, there we go. I don't know. We'll get that. So I did do, like I said, I did extensive testing over the weekend with my strategy on a 5-minute chart, and I came up with some very impressive statistics. So I'm going to be testing that out using the paper trading here in TradingView, and still trading the Blue Sky account on NinjaTrader using the 1-minute chart. But if things continue to bear out what I'm seeing on the 5-minute chart, you could see me switch to a 5-minute in the next week or two. Hey, Philip, how you doing? Forgot to bring up the stream on my phone. There we go. Moving to a 5-minute chart, G, instead of trading off the 1. You can see here on the 5-minute chart, if we turn back time, I went back into the beginning of February and marked off all the wins and losses based on my strat. Every blue line is a loss, every purple line is a win, and all the wins were two to 1. Not even 1.5 like I normally shoot for on the 1-minute chart, but 2 to 1. Risk to reward. Yep, absolutely. Say good morning to you for money, Robin. I would never skip you. No, not with the bot. This was a hand back test where I literally drew every trade. Just like I did here. Mark the stop, the entry, and the target. All hand drawn. And then I marked every trade, every day on a spreadsheet. And I don't, TradingView only let me go back to February 13th, so it's about 2 months of data. And of those 2 months, there was only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red days. Well, I mean, I do this. You see these boxes here, so like let's say here, this is my entry. I would do this, short right there, move the stop, then hit settings. Look at the top of the candle, see that the top of that candle is 115.25, so I hone in the stop. Then I put the entry that was 109.75. Hey, I got that one perfect. Then I figure out, since I'm going for 2 to 1, how much how much the target should be, which would be, in this case, 22 times 2 is 44. Target, doom. Then I see, did it go to target? It did. Then I hit purple line to signify that we've been a winner. And then I move on to the next. And I can't, I have no artistic ability when it comes to actually really drawing something. I can draw stick figures. I hated art class as a kid. Hated it. Hammering euros. Actually everything is getting hammered. Look at copper fall. Wow. That was an excellent trigger right there. Look at the copper fall, euro, pound getting pounded, the yen getting yened. Well, that didn't make no sense, but sounded good. What's gold doing? Silver's pulling back, gold's pulling back, not dramatically. Everything all of a sudden, did something happen? Ultrabot doesn't care. Crude oil doesn't care. Checking news. We don't have a lot of news today unless something just like happened like World War III or something. But we do have at 10 o'clock U.S. wholesale sales month over month and U.S. wholesale inventories month over month revised. World Bank chief, U.S. 2023 GDP expanding 1.2% versus 2022's 2.1%. World Bank chief also says global growth will slow to 2%. Maybe that's what's causing this to move down. That would make sense, especially in something like copper. That's a good point as well, Freighter. The thin market. Market's on a diet this morning. Hopefully low carb. Candle. Honestly, I hate it, but we'll let it grow. Well, how big is that? I hate it, but we'll go with it. Morning, Borneo, or evening, or I forget what time it is. I should write this stuff down. So we're short. Not sure why there's no stop. Oh, that's why. There we go. Scared me for a minute, but I just forgot to put the account on there. Boom. There we go. That's the 4-point stop, 8-point target. Good evening, Borneo. One day I'll remember that. We're gonna get most likely gonna get stopped out. I didn't like where this was at all. Oh, maybe I do. Look at that. Nice move down. Another purple candle. Just got to give me 6 more points. It's not a lot. I don't think it's asking a lot. Alright, the market thinks it is, but we are at lows a day, so we do got to keep expanding the low a day in order to get this win. Needs 3 more points. Sorry. Ah, target hit. There we go. Start the week off well. An 8-point win. The market continues to fall. Now you see on the 5-minute, I've been shooting for 2 to 1 here. The target, well, the target's 34 points based on that purple candle. It's gone 25. See if that would have hit. RSI says we are oversold, but I don't listen to it, but I do watch it now. Like, based on my back testing, if a trigger fired here on the 5, I would not enter there. You can see it just continues to fall. Target on that 5-minute trade, if I had taken that, is 0.60 quarter. Yes, it's down to 41.11. The other thing I'm testing is, I mean, 1.5 R versus 2R. 1.5 R, we were already be out of our target. But 2R seems to hit 2R. You know, I didn't lose many trades in the back test at 2R. Just continuing to fall. Now the other thing I could have done on that trade, you know, my stop, of course, was at the top of that trigger candle. Once the second trigger candle, I could have moved my stop to the top of that one and then reset the target. That was a 6-point total candle from the wick to the bottom. So I could have set it for another 9 from that, and we would have gotten that as well. That would have taken us down to 71, 61, 62. We would have just gotten that right now. Oh yeah, I forgot about China. So this 5-minute trade, 5-minute chart trade would have gotten 2 points. I mean, I'm sorry, 2 points. Bleh. Would have gotten to our stop loss of 17 points, target of 34 points. That would have been an excellent trade right there. $0.59 half, new low. Yes, down to 41.09 half. Copper, wow, new daily low that quick. Look at that, from daily high to daily low. Everything's still bleeding. Gold's trying to pop though. Silver's bouncing on its 100. Maybe finding a bottom here. See that blue candle? Now I don't take that blue candle on the 1, but it's something I'm looking at on the 5. But we don't have a blue candle on the 5 yet. Did everybody find their Easter eggs? I heard there's one Easter egg hidden behind the like button, but you gotta hit that like button to find it. Market downturn is this the market being sad about Taylor Swift and her boyfriend breaking up? Just continuing to move down here, just free fall. We're free falling. Joe Alwyn or something like that. They've been together for 6 years. There's the top. Yeah, she's a strong, independent woman. We don't know whether or not he did or didn't. Ah. They say there's no bad blood. I should probably just shake it off. Don't think it'll hurt her reputation. Yeah, maybe a few teardrops on her guitar. Yep, that's the one. We're getting another short signal here. See if it holds. So far, not holding. She's already worth like $500 million. We're in on this trade. 5 point, no, 4 point. So we're going for 8 again. See if the market continues to drop. Actually off by a tick. There it is. We're sideways here. I really didn't like this entry being as far down as we are. Our concert tour is probably going to set all kinds of records. See if it can get down any lower here. I need 51. Stops at 64. I think we're more likely to be stopped than to hit that target, but who knows? Yeah, buyers are coming in there, looks like. Stopped out. So 1 for 2 in the morning. I really didn't like that entry there. Ah, it's trying to send me another one. No, we're not going to let it take another one there. So that ended up being a 4 1/4. So you can see so far, off of this candle, I got like 8 points. If I had taken the 5-minute trade, I would have got 34. Now, I haven't tested the whole 1-minute chart for going 2R on trades or more, but it's trying to push down more here. was in at 59.75. It popped up to 66. So our ATR is just above 5 at this point. We have about an hour to the bell. Hope everyone's enjoying their morning so far. I'm 1 for 2. I'll take that. I believe we're now clear of holidays that affect the market until Memorial Day, which is May 29th. So about a month and a half. Then in June, we have Juneteenth, July 4th, obviously. In July, nothing in August, and Labor Day in September. Hey, Speed Racer, how you doing? If it's trying to send me another short signal here. See if I'm wrong, but I'm not trusting these short signals because we are so far extended on the downside. Looks like I might be wrong. In order for that trade to have won, it would have needed to get down to, I don't know, I didn't even look. 13,048. So we'll see. CL's dropping. Ooh, CL's dropping. Wow. Yeah, quite the drop there. Dropped it like it's hot. Dropped it like it's hot. By the way, look at that trigger there on the 5 minute on crude oil. Been a great trade. Look at copper. That was a beautiful signal right there at the top. Beautiful signal down there too. Look at that. Boom and then boom. So quite the move down here. You see it kind of started right there. At about 6:15 is where it started. And it's, I mean, it hasn't been a real fast drop. I mean, it's been 100 points since that point, but it's taken a couple hours. As you know, NQ can sometimes drop 100 points in 5 minutes. A trade, it would have stopped me out. So it's good I did not. So why didn't I? Now, like I said, I don't believe in overbought, oversold with RSI. But I did see that I have Bollinger Bands on the RSI, and that's what I look at. And I saw the moving average was actually below the 30 line. That's from all my back testing. That tells me that's a red flag. Not when the RSI is below the 30, but when the actual moving average goes below the 30. Or above the 70 for, the opposite. That's when I start getting worried. You can see here it dropped, and that's when we went back up. If we look up here, we went sideways, moved up a little bit, got back above 30, and that's when we started dropping again. Lots of testing, lots of testing. We did get one win so far this morning. That was off this signal here. And then this one here ended up not working. As you can see, if I'd been on earlier, this one, actually, there was no signal there. There was a break of the 20. There really wasn't a signal. This one, if I had been on, would not have worked. See, this one would have worked back here. And this one would have worked. Now we have a pulling up. 13 points on this 5-minute candle. Hit your live buttons, folks, every now and then we have a little blip that makes the stream a little bit behind. Consolidating there. Top the 20. Let's see which way it wants to go from here. Morning, Ace. How was your weekend? That was pretty good. So up, down, down, up, up. Oh, question for everybody. Uh, has anyone ever heard of or dealt with Iron Beam Futures? That they're a broker. Hey, Crypticon? So nothing on Iron Beam, huh? It's not for somebody in your house, is it? Oh, Dave, you have Iron Beam? You like them? They sent me an email talking about a partnership with my channel. Possible long here. Uh, hmm. Oh. Well, it should have taken that trade, but it didn't because I accidentally had the thing unchecked. Could still get in. We're in on that trade. At 4.5 points, so we'll do 9 points. Hope everything's okay there, Crypticon, in your neighborhood. Looking for 9 points here. Let's see if we can get it. Ooh, it's a little rough. I think it's going to come down and knock me out. Let's see if it bounces off the 20. This trade isn't looking good either. So I think we're going to end up going red here for the day, but I don't look at my P&L, but I keep track of it in my mind, kind of. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that would got your son talked to. I guess I'll send an email back to Iron Beam, see what they have in mind. Two purples in a row is not a good sign. Well, not in a row, but 2 out of 3. Hey, John, how are you doing? We're back close to my entry. It's always nice when it uses my entry as support or resistance. I'm doing good, John. A lot better if this started going green on me, but other than that, I'm doing great. Cool. Yeah, I don't know what they have in mind. I just they sent the email. They're a Chicago-based clearing member of the CMN Group, futures broker, looking to partner their select group of trading educators like myself. They obviously don't realize that I'm not really an educator. To provide them with platforms that help your customers as they transition from the education demo phase to live trading. We accept Canadian and other non-sanctioned country accounts. We have our own proprietary, easy for me to say, cloud-based trading app. Support many third-party platforms. I like to discuss custom white label the platform for you. I don't think I need that. I would like to have a chat with you regarding a mutually beneficial partnership. You gonna show me the money? Oh. Down to the 20. Looks like it wants to break here. Stop me out here in 1 point away. And we're stopped. Ooh, and a big stop at that. Got some slippage there. And we ended up with almost a 5 point stop there. Yeah, quick rip down. Oh, maybe I should have got out on that purple candle. You see it never really got back above that. That's another thing I need to look at. Pushing down. I'm watching. We're about 40 minutes away from the bell. And so we're just kind of watching and waiting here. Energies markets open in 8 minutes. And back up. So it came down, now curling up. I got this. It's up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Kind of just hanging out here. Good morning, IMAD. Or afternoon. And right back down. And back up. Yeah, it's kind of like yeah, choppy. Choppy. Choppers. It's trying to push up now, as Ace said. Morning, Tiffany. Which is more important for trading, upload or download speed? That's a good question. Upload sends your orders in. Download lets you see what the current price, the current data is. Ugliness. Let's see. Energy markets opening here a little bit. Look at the way crude is falling back under 80. New low a day. But look at natural gas. It exploded. Shouldn't make jokes like that. Gold. Ooh. Wow. Gold collapsed. Hey, look at that. Started with a trigger candle. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Copper still collapsing. Not afraid of falling. I just heard something. Oh, market's a little topsy-turvy right now. As I've been told a couple times by a couple people, remember this is a holiday in Europe, so the books could be light, less volume today. Yeah, that was my. I used to use that joke all the time when natural gas made a move up, but I don't know. Seems like poor taste now after seeing the natural gas explosion at the Palmer Company a few weeks ago. So I got to retire that joke, at least for now. 'So it looks like Matt stepped away from his computer. 5 minute chart has been sending me multiple purple candles, and those multiple purple candles haven't worked. And the moving average is still below that 30 line, so I don't take purple candles there. Again, paper trading the 5 minute, live trading the 1 minute chart. Uh, um, it's Mr. G's territory. My thought is for long range is dividend stocks, but I said that the other day, and Mr. G was like, no. I still like the idea of dividend stocks. Uh, you just need to let me teach your kid how to trade futures, and he won't need to worry about it. But yeah, I mean, my idea is dividend stocks, but I don't know. Mr. G's not still here. Mr. G has much more uh, experience in long range investing than I do. Like if I asked that question, I would ask it to him and maybe a few others. Back up. Energy's market open. Totally forgot about him there. Ooh, wow, good crude popping up there on its open. Natural gas still going up as well. uh, oops. So NQ is looking ugly right now. ES, not as ugly, but still kind of ugly. Not really. I've taken 3 trades, won one, lost two, and it's choppy. Apparently, Europe's closed today for the holiday, so our volume is down, and it's just kind of a. I mean, we missed. There was this huge move down. A lot of it happened before I started streaming, so I got part of that move down. The 5-minute chart actually would have gave me a great trade. Would have gave me a 34-point win. Now we're just choppy. You can see here in the 5-minute chart how choppy we are. It's just sideways. Looks uglier on the 1 minute, but ooh, big move there though. Big move down. Almost too low. Oh, new low a day there. So quick burst down. And another move down to 13,049. So interestingly enough, this second purple candle here never would have got stopped out. So let's see here. It's just stop with there. Really? Yeah. And entry would have been 13,060. Oh, got that right. 41, looking for 82. Let's see if that would have hit. Meanwhile, can we come down? I have a pop up here. I mean, I don't think the supply chain issues ever totally went away from way back to the pandemic, but I haven't been seeing making headlines either. That said, train derailments all over the country can't be helping the issue. This week, the inflation data comes out, both CPI and PPI, so that'll be another thing to keep an eye on. Excuse me one second. Back up to the 20 on the NQ. We are 19 minutes till the bell. Not a fun chart right now. You know, everything else would have been fun though. Gold would have been fun. Copper would have been fun. Even the Ultron would have been fun. Oil with a beautiful bounce. But look at natural gas taking off. I wonder what that's about. It's a lot of green candles in a row. Starting off with a blue candle and it's boom, 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 boom. It's almost 100 ticks off that since that blue candle. Nice little bounce up to the 20. Everyone got really quiet. Wake up, people. It's Monday. One second. And hitting the 20 and coming back down. Yeah, those are Bollingers. I was using them on the 5. I kind of left them on the... Yeah, I can get rid of those on the 1. But on the 5, they were providing some guidance in my tests. Coming back down. This is sending me a purple candle. But it's got a ways to go yet. 45 seconds. Looks like it's going to hold. We're in. Three-point stop. Pushing down. Shooting for 6 points here with a 3-point stop. Excuse me, 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. We're up 2 points here. Let's see if it can continue to push down here. It does not need to hit the low of day, but does need to get close. Okay, see you, Tiffany. Thanks for stopping in. It looks like we're back to my entry price on this trade. $6 wasn't a lot to ask for, was it? We are 13 minutes from the bell and a blue candle. I'll have a blue. Choppy morning. There we go. Come on down. Another purple candle. I like that. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. It's 2 points away from my target. Retreating a bit. 3 points away now. Come on. Just a nice little burst would be nice. Point away. 1 point away. Almost there. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. It's gotten to 51.25, which is exactly 1 point away. And now it's trying to pop back up into blue. Ooh. It's gonna suck if this pops all the way back up. Which is what it's doing. Watching. Hey, Kieran. Ooh. Got beat back down. Back up to 55. Hey, Nick. Wasn't sure you'll be here today. Choppiness. We are about 8 minutes till the open. Yeah, it was alright. Did a lot more back testing. As we hang here at just below my entry. Doesn't want to give up those last few points. Give it to me, baby. Always hate it when my charts go do that. Kind of sitting there. Candles have gotten smaller, so maybe we're going to turn around. Maybe we're going to turn around, maybe we're not. Fourth trade of the morning, 1 win, 2 losses so far. Choppy morning with Europe being on holiday. Only bit of news comes at 10 Eastern, and that's probably, I don't think that's a market mover at all. Back to my entry. Looking like it wants to head up. Let's see if it bops its head on the 20 and comes back down, or it just rips through it. It ripping through it. Ooh, getting kind of whippy there. There's a move down. Nice. Come on, come on, come on. You can do it. Really? Come on. 2 points. That's all I need. 2 points. 2 ticks. There we go. Target hit. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. 6 points. Thought it was going to stop me out. Honestly, I thought it was going to stop me out, but now we're 2 for 4 in the morning. 2 wins, 2 losses. Now, technically, that was another trigger candle, but it doesn't actually take the entry bot doesn't take a trade if it hits a target on a trigger. And since that was like pulling teeth, and we are less than 5 minutes to the bell. I wonder if dentists use that expression. That was like pulling teeth, since it should be like easy for them to pull teeth. Good morning, Chris. How are you doing? Strong move down. New lows a day. Yeah, yes, not quite at low a day, but just about. Woo! Wow. That was a quick whip. Now ES and NQ are at low a day. You can see here just this incredible fall over the last 3 hours. I mean, it's over 100 points, so it's not like dramatic, but still, boom, boom, boom. And we'll see what the bell brings us. Ringling. Hear them ring. Are we ready for the ring? Are we ready for the ding? Ding 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 ding. CL above 53. That's a nice move up there. By the way, look at this. I've been studying the 5-minute chart as I mentioned. Real quick. So we already saw this one have been a winner. And look at this one. Now, this one, if I had taken it, would have stopped out. But then this one would have stayed in that trade and would have reached profit target. So far we would have had 2 wins, 1 loss on the 5-minute chart, with the loss being about 12 points. So 20 and 34, 54 minus 12, 44, 40, about 42 points net. And Q new daily low. ES not quite as not giving it up as quite as easily here, but NQ just dropping like a rock. Continuing to move down. Wow, just a free fall here, and ES getting near 4,100. ES getting near 13,000 even, about 20 points away. There's no stopping the dropping. Oh, now it bounces just as I say that. Ultra bond pulling down some. Copper bounce, but now trying to come down. Look at the Dow, big move down. Bouncy, bouncy. About 10. So the new low a day on NQ 13,018 half. That's an interesting look there. That's like 6 different downward triggers on the 5. I don't think I've seen that even in my back testing. Pushing down again. ES sending a purple candle there. Purple nurple. Another new low. Is it going to get down below 13,000? These are the hard-hitting questions we ask. There's ES breaking 4,100. Wow, big candle again. Yeah, there's the break of 13,000. Look at that. Look at that fall. Beautiful fall. Bounce here. Popping. Hopping. So it got down to 12,996. All right. Looks like it's trying to get beat down again. ES is also trying. Got back above 4,100. Bulls and Bears are going to fight these levels. 13,000, 4,100. Both broke again. Get out the glue. Back above, so we're fighting these levels. It's an epic battle here between the bulls and the bears. Long in CL and GC. Oops. GC? No, yeah, nice bounce on GC off low day. Well, made a new low day. Didn't bounce off low day, but made a new low and then bounced. CL. Continuing to rise back up, getting up to its 100 EMA on the 5. Good luck on both of those trades, I'm at. Let us know how they turn out for you. As we watch and wait. Remember, we do have a little bit of news at the top of the hour. Don't expect it to be anything high impact. It's you can see it, the countdown there and there at the bottom of the screen. U.S. wholesale sales. Excellent job, IMAD. Oh, well, that's still all green, so that's still net green. Looks like it's trying to come back up. You see ES actually got above its 20. NQ's got a ways to go yet. It's being beaten back down. Can't find any upwards momentum today. I've had days like that. How we all doing out there? Oh, yeah. Ouch. Up gold, silver, platinum, metals all just dropped like crazy. Look at wheat. Wheat big there off of an engulfing candle too. That would have been beautiful. That would have been a beautiful trade right there on wheat. Let me see if there's news on something that caused that massive drop. Not seeing anything. Oil still rising up. It broke its 100. Oh, look at the Ultra Bond too. All the bonds down. Something happened. Something spooked the market. Getting a purple candle here. Not sure I like it here. Went away for now. It's back with 10 seconds to go. It's going to stick. Looks like 4 seconds. We're in. Stop there is a 10-point stop, so we're going to look for 15. Don't really feel comfortable with that, but the strategy says, so we will go with it. She actually got a little bit better entry there. No, we didn't. Oh, wow. Quick whip down. Come on. Go for 85 half. Wow. Target hit. Boom. 15 and a quarter points. I was not enthusiastic about that trigger, but I let it take the trade and boom. Excellent job, I'm glad to hear it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And Chris, you called out 12,975 earlier, and it just hit 12,976. So good call. Wow, you're all over the place today, Ahmed. Do you find it hard to concentrate on that many assets, or is it just like natural for you? I went backwards a little bit on Friday again, so I'll look at that once the day comes to a close. So that would require looking at my P&L. Oh, okay, gotcha, Ahmed. Uh, tiny loss, I think. 169 on Friday. So I went back by 169 on Friday and 109 on Thursday. I took one trade toward the end that looked good, and everyone was screaming at me not to take it, but it looked good and it hurt me. Getting another purple candle. I really don't like it. I don't like taking shorts this far extended down. And we are really extended down. It went away for now. It's bopping there. It's back. See if it sticks. Pulling up. Ooh, went away with 10 seconds. Is it going to come back? Ooh, it came back. Can you tell when I'm not enthusiastic? I want them to go away. Nope, it's not going to go away. So it's another 15 points, and I really doubt that we're going to get 15 points here. But, hey. Looking for 67. Actually, we should be looking for 67.50. Not that that 2 ticks is really going to matter. There we go. Yes, you were the one screaming, Ahmed. I'm already in a trade, Ahmed, so. Did just hit 977 again. Oh yeah, good point. Well, news coming up 9 minutes. I don't expect that news to be anything major. But I've been known to be wrong before. There's 76. There's the break of 76. There's 70. 69. Target hit. Boom! Another 15 points. And you know what? I would have never taken those trades in the past. Never, 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 never. Thank you, Ace. Thank you, Ahmed. Thanks, Chris. Thanks, Crip. Thanks, Leonardo. Just letting the stats work for me and letting the trades take care of themselves and following the strategy because that's what has shown the work. Thanks to Nick helping me out and getting me over those humps of. Oops, I didn't run that, did I? There we go. Actually, you know what? I do need to check my P&L because I need to see where I'm at to see if I need to chill out. Yeah. Okay, so I looked at my P&L now. I have another. I need. Yeah, that's 695 before commission, $25 of commission, so I'm at 670. So I have another trade in me, but now I know what my P&L is. I mean, I can get another 200, so I only need another 10 points, but I've never been fishing. And I don't know how to swim, so it's like putting me on a boat's not a good idea. And I'm not supposed to get the fake leg wet. Anyway, to answer the earlier question, I'm $1,055 away from funding this account. Yeah, they did. I figured they wouldn't matter, but I figured I'll go with the exact, when it would have really sucked if they would have mattered. That's what I'm thinking too, Nick, but I don't want to, I don't want to, I'm not sure the word I'm looking for. I don't want to, like, jinx myself or put the cart before the horse. And bouncing up here. About a 20-point bounce. Absolutely agree. I'll keep it this time. And we're getting a purple candle. And that looks like it's going to stick to it. It's going to be a big one. You can probably hear how unenthused I am about that candle, but I was unenthused about the last two as well. It's retreating though. Hold on. It's got 15 seconds. Ooh, that's not. Yeah, I could. That's a good idea. But I'm going to miss this trigger because, well, I can just manually do it. I set the there. It's all with 3 micros. Oh, there we go. Ah, what did I do? Okay, 3 micros. Let's see if it gets filled there. Was that the right entry point even? No, it's 75. Oh, we're 1 minute from news, and I just got filled. Forgot about the news. So it's a 13-point stop. Let's see the tool. Drawing tools, risk reward. Boom. Boom. 1.5. Apply. Okay. Da, da, da. Need to get down to, oops, 63. Let's see if we get it. It looks like I can give him back on this one. Maybe not. There's the news. Let's watch it come down, hopefully. And let's see. U.S. wholesale inventories month over month 0.1. Expected was 0.2. U.S. wholesale sales 0.4. Expected was 0.6. So slight misses on both. And by the way, there's no news events tomorrow. Well, except for Red Book, but that doesn't ever do anything. Next big event is Wednesday for CPI. Five-minute chart's also sending me a purple candle. And it's coming back up to my entry. And it's at my entry. It's come back about halfway up that last candle. And it's slowly grinding back up here. Seen up, down, up, down, up. Let's see what happens. Stops at 94. 94.25. Yeah. You too could save 50% by switching to micros. Bouncing off the 20. Let's see if it comes back down for me. Back to my entry. Using my entry as support. A blue candle. I'll have a blue. Yeah. All right. Good luck, Kieran. Stopped out. Technically a trigger candle up, but it stopped me out right as it. Actually, it stopped me out on the new candle anyway. So this was a dangerous setup. This, you see, it came down, up, and eh. It looked more like it wanted to come up than down. 5-minute chart's been green. ES strong there. Man, big push back down. Low day, 967 half. Gold sideways since its big move down. Ultravon continuing to fall. Crude is kind of sideways now. And here comes NQ back up. And beaten back down. Indecisive right now. Strong move up. 7.5 points, 8 points. Chop Fest City, USA. About 10 points below 13,000. ES is back above 4,100, so ES is showing more strength than NQ. ES all the way back up to 4,107. Remember, ES was fighting 4,100 as NQ was fighting 13,000. All right, good luck on that, Chris. Choppiness. Excellent, Chris. Excellent. All right, good luck, IMAD. My secondary script sent me along there. I did not get a blue candle. Actually, that would have stopped me out in that next candle, you see. Hey, Hafiz. Nice to see you. Nice rise up here. Kieran and IMAD are in this. Still rising up. Nice, guys. By the way, guys, as I switched over to micros, I didn't even think about the fact because I don't have the entry bot set up for the micros. I need to do that. But this technically was a trigger candle. A blue candle finishing above the 20. It is below the 100, but I've been finding out that the triggers even below the 100 work, and you can see this one would have given me, I think. Oh wow, it would not have given me 1.5. Let's see if I have those numbers right there. 92.75 entry, stop at 80.25. Wow, I got those exact. Yeah, so far it would not have. It would have been within a tick. Let's see if it would have. Getting another one here. This one will enter in if it holds. That said, it would be nice to already have been in this one. The 100 is sitting at 0.25, and yep, there we would have hit target right there. The 10-point candle, 11-point candle. We're in long, 3 micros. 12-point stop, 18-point target. But we're going to put our target at the 100 EMA. So it's not quite 1.5 to 1. There we go. For 13,025. Why? Because that's where the 100's sitting. Hey, Glitch, how you doing? Seems to be struggling here around 13,015. Looking for another 10 points off of this. Doing good, thank you, Glitch. He's sending me a purple candle there. Back to my entry. Hey, Sid. Not liking the looks of this. Not liking it one bit. It's going to come down to stop me out. Stops at 13,025. Okay, stopped out. So we're giving back most of the profits for the day, little by little. Really thinking I need to test getting out when I see uh, a trigger candle going the opposite way. That would have saved me 9 points. But I got to test that. Bouncing on the 20. Stop me out by 2 frickin' ticks. It went down 1 tick below that. It went to 12,999.75. My stop was 1 tick above 13K anyway. It's back up to my entry point. How nice. My target was the 100, which has actually come down by 2 points. It was actually, my target was 13,025. Obviously, much better trigger earlier that I missed because of forgetting that the entry bot wasn't turned on. Lower high here so far, maybe, 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 maybe. Over here at the 5 minute, you can see it's 7 straight green candles on the 5 minute chart, but they're all small. I mean, those are 5 minute candles, and their biggest one is 8 points. There's a rise up. Yeah, ES is kind of stagnant here while NQ comes up. There's 18, there's 19, there's 20. Remember, my target was 25, although the 100 is now down to 23. And pulls back. Purple candle. Big purple candle. There's So it failed to get up. I mean, we got up to 13,020 there, and we got up to 13,020 there. Double top and down. Sometimes we get lucky, I'm mad. Not afraid of falling. Back down under 13. So I would have never reached my profit target off of this long. Obviously, this is the better long, and I missed it. But wow, big moves down here. We have an ECB, Europe Central Bank speaker, saying that inflationary pressures are still broadening. I think he's what's causing this market to come down. Maybe not. That was 10 minutes ago, so maybe not. Good job, Chris. So we see a short signal here on the 5-minute. Again, I'm studying the 5-minute. Did a lot of back testing on it over the weekend. We're gonna start getting it prepared here. Wait, what? Okay. And okay, so there we go. It's 103. So looking for really? Wow. Yeah, it's not gonna get that. 206. Boop. There we go. Don't expect that to actually work out, but we'll test it and see. Bouncing back up right now. Curving back around. Back above the 20. Oh yeah. Nothing in the last 10, 15 minutes. The Europe Central Bank guy was talking. And Q getting kind of beaten back down there, mostly wick on that last candle. But still trying, bless its heart. And down, then up. Choppy, around 13,000. Again, trying to beat it back down. They got the baseball bats out. Pushing down again. A lot of up wicks. Trying again. Up to 13,010. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying the stream, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Just touch 13,018. And there's touches the 100. Nice, Imad. Good luck, Kiran. Tickles that 100 EMA. Broke 100 EMA. Just would have hit my target on that trade that stopped me out, but obviously, that would have required a bigger stop. Did stop out that potential trade on the 5-minute. So this blue candle here did facilitate this move, but it was like its wick was bigger than its body. Oh, it was a 2-point candle, so we would be looking for like a 4-point. No, we probably would have made it 10 or the 100 EMA there. Great job, Crypticon. We'll be right back, guys. trying to pop up here. It's kind of hitting that area of 13,030 and struggling. And back down. Got again 13,030.75. Let's see if the 100 now becomes support. Touches the 100. Tickles it. Yeah, big blue candle there on the 15. I have not tested the 15 at all to see what that does. I'll have to look at that at some point in time. One thing worries me about the 15 is that it would be even huger stops and targets. Is using the 100 here as a bounce area. Look at that. Rising up. Rising air. I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. Here above the 100. Remember the 100 on the 1 minute is the 20 on the 5. Trying to get through that 13,030. ES sitting around 41.10, 41.11. About 15 minutes to go in the stream. There's a burst. Finally broke away. IMAD was looking for what, 13,040? I forget. Yeah, 13,040 IMAD was looking for. We're getting closer. Get a little closer. Now this was a bullish engulfing here off the secondary script. Looks like it would have been about an 8-point stop, and looks like it would have got, yep, it would have got target. And it just hit 13,040. Great job, Imad. So secondary script there would have worked. This bullish engulfing actually would have stopped me out. And then went. Look at that. You just slightly, but it was only a 2-point candle, so if I go with a 5-point minimum, it would not have stopped me out. You can see, boop, 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 there. And that one would have worked, although I just put that one opposite. Oops. So honestly, I got a little sloppy once I moved over to micros because I got used to the bot taking the trades for me and then just managing them. But that one the bot would have taken, and this one the bot would have taken, and they would both been winners. And this one the bot would not have taken, but it was also a winner. So I got, yeah, unfortunately I did get sloppy. But also, I haven't tested it, so it's not in my repertoire yet. But taking these breaks of the 100 like that, also something I've looked at because it's a break of the 20 on the 5. So either way, and you can see that one also would have worked for 1.5. Would work for 2 probably too. Yeah, it would have. 10 minute. Okay, I can look at that. Okay, Crypticon. Good luck with that. I don't see what you're seeing, but you must be looking at something that you use. I will definitely take a look at the 10-minute chart later on and see what I can see there. Ooh, sorry that belch came across. It's kind of hanging around 13,037 right now. About 5 minutes, I'll reveal my revised P&L. It's gone down a little bit since I revealed it earlier. pull back. Pushing down. Strong candle. Crypticon, what was your entry? I forget which candle he said in 40 seconds. I think it was that one. Back down to 13,030. All right. So, all right, do you have a target you're shooting for, Crypticon? Popping back up just a tad. Wow. Okay, 20. All right. IMAD. IMAD versus Crypticon. One long, one short. Who will win the battle? We just dipped down to 26. Bounced off that 20. 100 sitting at 23. The blue candle. It went away at the last second into a red candle. I mean, a purple candle. And red too, but. Try to come back down. So P&L for the day. We lost. We shaved about $150 off of it with those two losses, but we're still up 513 on the day. So that means over my last 5 days, I was 778, 786, minus 109, minus 167. Now up, whatever it is, said 513. So, that's very good, and I'm happy with that. 2 small days, 2 small loss days, and today we gained back all the losses of the combined losses of those 2 days plus. We are sitting 1,212 away from funding. So with some good price action, could get there this week. There's another purple candle. Cryptocon's looking good right now. Oh, Brian, welcome. I don't recognize your name, so I'm going to assume you're new. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the herd. Thank you for joining us. And here comes that move down. Right to the 100. Trying to break the 100. Going for Cryptocon's target there, 13,020. Got to 13,023 so far. Yep. When I'm sitting on my yacht trading 100 contracts at a time. Yeah, I don't think so. Wow, got within a point of Cryptocon's target and bounced back up. Sticking above that 100. Out there's a break. And wow. 2 ticks from Cryptocon's target. 1 tick from Cryptocon's target. There we go. Target hit for Cryptocon. 18-point winner as long as he closed that trade. Continuing to move down. So this move started with this trigger candle here, which is the kind I've been looking at as well for reversals. You can see now that was a big candle. So if I had taken that, and I have not done, I'm not ready to take these reversals yet off the 1 or the 5. I've been looking at them, but not ready. But this is about 10 points. Looking for 15 and would have got it, so there we go. So that's it for today, folks. We have hit our 10 a.m. my time, 11 a.m. Eastern. Another good profitable day, 513 after commissions. Rolling toward funding on the Blue Sky account. Awesome if we could do it this week, but I'm not going to put that pressure on myself. I'm just going to continue to trade my plan, and if it happens, it happens. So, nice, Crypticon. Great job. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we will be back tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern. Bye, everybody. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.